the oil filter housing. The oil cap, I guess. Looks pretty bad.
I'll put it in that drainer thing.
Yeah.
Don't the filters normally come up with it?
They normally do, yeah.
Yeah, that does look rough, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Almost looks like something you pull out of a diesel.
Right? When's the last time you changed the oil? When you changed the brake pads?
Yeah, maybe. Those brake pads, they seem like they were wearing weirdly, weren't they?
They look pretty good to me. They were mostly even. The oil filter came with a gasket for the drain plug, which is nice.
Yeah, that is nice.
I like to get it started by hand to make sure I'm not cross-threading it. And it doesn't have to be real tight because it's sealed by the O-ring, not by the tightness of it. On some of them, if you look at the top of the cap, it'll actually have a torque spec right on there. That one says 25 Newton meters. You see that right there?
Mm-hmm.
I might have to zoom in a bit. There's some glare. Yeah, shows the torque.
Yep.
I don't think I have a wrench that even goes that small.
I just turn it on until it stops.
Yeah. Looks like a 17, just like the other one. Is the 17 out there? Must be out here somewhere.
You think it's coming, the leak is from the rear main?
I just assumed it was. To know for sure, we could remove this and then pressure wash everything, and then run it and see where the oil comes out at.
Should wait till I get my pressure washer.
Are you ordering one?
I want to get an electric one.
Nice. Yeah, I like the electric ones. They're more convenient.
Mm-hmm. I put in that metal deflector plate. You see that spot on it that's clear? Right there?
That's from oil dripping on it,
Yeah,
cleaning it.
that's where it's coming from.
Yeah.
I put in that plate so it wouldn't pool up under the engine. It looks like it drops down and blows out.
Yeah. When you're going down the road, the wind will like loop it back up and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you will have to drop the exhaust because of this. There's 3 bolts here, and I assume there's 3 up in there to remove the subframe connector.
Mm-hmm.
Have you changed the diff fluid on this car?
I think I did when I first bought it. Gosh, it's about full. What the heck's going on?
It's not. There's like trash in here that's blocking it.
Dang. It's 8 quarts, right? Nearly.
8.5. Yeah, the oil's cold too, so it's just draining slowly.
Almost had a Valdez.
you getting the pressure washer from?
Probably Lowe's.
Okay.
Probably get one like yours. That's the new kind of lid, isn't it?
Yeah, tamper proof.
I think that's spill proof or guaranteed to spill.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not gonna work.
You want a funnel?
Yeah, it'd work.
It helps it come in there better.
Supposed to, yeah.
I always thought they did that to indicate it needed oil. Shut the hood.
That too. It's 8.5, right?
7.9.
7.9. There's an indicator on the side. So instead of just guessing, I've already put 5. It takes 7.9, so I'm going to fill this up to 2.9.
That's a good idea.
That way I don't have to pour a little bit and then check.
That's hard to do. It's easy to get it over.
Yeah. So that's 2 right there. I want it a little bit lower than 3. Is that right? No, I want it a little bit lower than 2. Wait, 7.9. So yeah.
A little under 3.
Yeah.
That's about 2.5.
We'll call that good. We can always add more later. And I guess we will be adding more later.
Yeah.